Question is that why should you buy this amazing smartwatch? You should buy this smartwatch because this is made of the carbon fiber dial and the aluminum alloy body. It is coming with the HDMI OLED display and the silicone detachable belts. You can charge this watch with the magnetic charger and charging can last up to 2 days. The watch is coming with 1 year warranty and the e-warranty card and the bill. This stunning watch, as you can see here, is made of the carbon fiber and the silicone belts are detachable. You can use this watch in the various modes. There are many sports modes I will show in the video. The build quality of the watch is very good. As you can see here, the durable silicone belts. And watch is coming with the 1 year warranty. If you guys want to buy this watch, I will provide the link in the description box. You can also download the Play Store application if you are using the Android phone to buy this watch. You can also buy this watch on the COD also. As you can see here, the quality of the display is very good and you can use it in the casual functions or in the office work like professional works. Various types of 7 to 10 dials you can use in this watch. Watch is coming with the calling facility, Bluetooth calling. 3 different themes are available in this watch. So many 11 to 12 sports mode are available in this watch. The watch is waterproof, IP76 waterproof rating. The build quality of the watch is very good and the watch is durable. I am using this watch from last 6 months. I haven't seen any problem in this watch till now. The build quality of the watch and the quality of the display and the crystal clear sound of the watch during calling is amazing. It is worth buying this watch in the price of 4,500 rupees only and with the 1 year warranty and the trust of the brand. As you can see here, there are different types of sports mode here. Very sensible touch of the screen. You can set any stopwatch here, Bluetooth calling here, Bluetooth music playing here. You can play the music, you can call from this watch. Fits for the daily purpose. It looks like a classic product, worth buying this product. As you can see here, it is the oxygen meter and there are so many functions you will experience with this watch. Watch is coming with the stunning black color, which can be matched in all the clothes. The black is all purpose color. It is the battery percentage, you can see here, Bluetooth connectivity option and so on. You can increase or decrease the brightness of the display. This is the Tagore 45 modular model. You can see here the keyboard. You can dial the contacts from the keyboard. You can save the contacts in your phone book here. Very classic product for the daily usage for the professional usage with the 1 year warranty. So you don't have to worry about the quality. They will provide the assured quality and the 1 year warranty card. 100% Indian website, you can trust on this. This is the manual, guys. You can scan the QR code for the application. You can see here each and every detail of this product which have provided by the company in this manual. This is the complete guide for this watch. Have a nice day. That's it.